Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
Bossy, I this early I give me bossy. Big prayer, all week. Let's see how.
Yo, Jack, how much him give?
Dog, me not tell you, see a 3-5 man look for me and give me dog whole week, you know, brother.
Joke this, brother. A $3,000 man give me, you know. $3,000, you know. Yo, some of them boss boy take man thing for joke, dog. Man a hard working youth, you know, bro. Me a work from Monday to Friday. Me all sprain my hand, bro. And it come out of my pocket. Watch it, bacon I eat up my hands for Joe. And I work from 9 to 5. And the man want shot me fit me pay. Some boss boy if you know see you, so when the youths them out I do them 9 to 5. When pay day, yo, the youths them forget pay for Joe, you know, my friend.
Joke man take a thing for skin.
When me I go tell my cat, you know, me can't go and go looking at my woman face with 3,000 and me I work from Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. What kind of style that boss? Yo. Me I go tell woman you know.
Well, you go tell your woman skinny me can't go through the door with 3-5 skinny. 3-5 what that can do skinny. Skinny what that can do. A whole week me I work in a skinny. Skinny a whole week I work and 3,000 black with 1 cat to the alone, you know. Not to mention
that see it, man. No me you work all day, man, all week for sure.
Much up all that black.
Last week I same thing, this week I the same coming thing again. You come like them money and them money I won't recycle, bro. Cause I might like you want to recycle the same amount of pay. Me not like the style, brother.
Joke thing, bro.
Me not like them style, man. Oh, me if you go to my woman with $3,000. $3,000 now no use. One much in months me in my woman pumpkin. And me I go home, go give her $3,000. She must find that disrespectful. For true.
Yo. Y'all talk about pumpkin right now, me grieve. You know, long my cucumber no get no pumpkin. Eh? Me grieve right now, you see that 3-5 there. I saw pumpkin me I go buy. No! With that 3-5 there.
No, Chav. You can't use the last money and go buy pumpkin.
When me I go do?
Me understand where you go through, but you know I think you can't do that, bro. Me wouldn't agree to that. Me not think it's right for you to have a one last pay, bro, and then you know just go buy pumpkin with that, bro. Me not see no right in that, bro. Me know where you go through, you know. But say me I work the same place, you know. But it don't make no sense, bro. You go buy pumpkin with the money. You understand? So, you just go and hold the faith, me G. I just say it, go, you see it.
From all the base stress moms that stress me out. And a be black me I care from when you. A chill load of mall we want it to we alone, you know, skinny me I tell you about chill load of mall. Me not talk boy. I chucked a chill a load of mall we I can not dog. Me say you.
Me know me G, man. Me know me G.
Right now, a pink shop me want go.
No,
me say
man,
skinny.
you can't go pink house.
True, bro. A pink house me want go.
You can't go, bro. I waste some money that, bro. You just hold the faith, bro. You have to know if you can't hold it, me G. You see it?
See you now come. You know forward.
No, man. Me not use my last.
Say a chicken, a chicken. So.
I'm not chicken, bro.
Say your woman I take that the chicken there. Where am I doing that?
Boy, I don't know, man. I have to go reason it out, because you know his style go already.
Me tired of red and white and no Valentine's. What me say? I be a mackerel and rice. Me soon get scale. Then nearly think of Vietnamese me come from town me name rice. Skinny believe me no, bro. Me tired of pressure, bro. Skinny listen to me no, bro. Me tired of pressure. And you wanna know what me say me I go? Pink cause. Because what? Skinny, where you say now forward?
Nah, I'm not going to use my last pay and buying a pumpkin.
Skinny, you not forward for choo.
So I'm not use my last pay and buying a pumpkin.
You know say me know say my urge a kill me from when?
Leg off for that, bro. I'm a level man. You have me level the new one and me buy with the laser pan it.
The
level? I get a different work, yeah, bro. I get a different work.
Joke thing, dog. You really
not
talk about
come back here, so, bro.
Alright then, you know what go on? Follow me go down a pink house. And then you can get a level. Oh, that's all.
I want to level, bro, because I get a different.
Yeah, I get it, man. This is money I talk about work after so much pressure.
But I'm not buying a pumpkin, just a follow, bro. You see me?
So I really can't bother with their life anymore. I can't bother with their life anymore. Really need to go find something to do, you know. Because I really can't bother no more. Go find something to do, you know, because I can't bother. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. Come on, all this. Sick and tired. When that, man?
So this a little bit of money you get, B. So you look for me, so?
What you mean by if I this a little bit? You should ever appreciate the fact that me hustle the money that you get. Last night you collect. This morning you come. See you come in the evening and you come collect. Look here you. Me sick and tired of this work here.
Yeah, me I say, man. This a money I can't pay bills them. This a money I can't pay rent, it can't pay water and it can't pay light. Plus the pitney them to go to school. You have to go harder, you have to hustle harder than this to blast.
So I'm to your hand them.
What this can do?
What happened to your hand them? That me want.
No ask me about what happened to me and them. That me have for hustle.
So me are the man. So me are the man. You know have two and when your mother have you for your girl?
Yeah, me I say, man. You ain't too much chatting with them. You linger too much. Me tell you say when them forward, if you just make them quick and go on. No linger thing. And you chat up with them. And some of them are come trust and want come beg me. Don't tell us say yo. Nobody with no long thing. Quick and fast.
Then if I quick and fast and quick money, why is it you not gonna help me work? Why you not gonna help me
work? You know say you pass the place.
Pass whose place?
You pass.
You're too ungrateful. You say man you can't know man nothing that we don't know. You're too ungrateful.
How much money you give me last night? So how much money you give me last night?
Me not have to tell you, you know exactly you are spending money. You there spending money. Look here. Now me hot up my mouth, you know. You want me hot up my mouth,
Hear me I say. Last night, me know say way more than this you give me. So it's either you hide the money or you trust out the pumpkin or something. But this money and not go work. At least you feel carry come in here a night time at $10,000. Yeah?
Look here. Me want to ask you a question and make me understand something you are going right now. Are you over here in a pink house every friggy? Look here. Look here. Now me cause to blast. Are you over pink house every day? I lay down pan back over here. I feel pumpkin cucumber going on. Me answer me question.
Hold on.
You help me take cucumber?
Me no make with pumpkin. Are you make with pumpkin? So if you take all of the cucumber where you can take to make sure say me alright, you alright, the three pitney them alright, and food up on the table and the light bills them and every bills them pay.
Look here, you see after today, more bless me, I pack me bag and left out of this a pink house. Can you see after today, you gonna learn how to be a man and learn how to work.
No, you put your hand on my face, you know, if you have manners. And hear me I say, you see since business kind of slow with you, I go link up, I go just organize a couple of my friends them so you can book them down so I can calculate the money and know say that the amount of money you make. Cause a style thing you depend, you must have our next month. You have man to give money? Eh? Kuya. Whole night.
Funny here start, how much you give me?
Whole night.
You only they collect, you not receive. You only thing you do a collect, not true?
So hold on.
You are a receiver?
So hold on.
Answer me question, me say if you are a receiver.
Yes, me a receiver for the
money. You're more than a
money.
receiver.
Me a receiver for the money.
I know how you love cucumber money, pumpkin money so.
Hear me I say.
You love pumpkin money so.
As you work the money, you bring it come to blast.
A waste man style that depend on pumpkin money.
Waste man?
Yes.
Waste man. So when me did a work, how much years and I take care of you? You never know say, for your time I will come, you better work your pumpkin to blast. How for pink jacket that?
My pastor.
Watch it.
Look here, leave the
Watch it. And alright, size 2 you know sir.
Mr. Give me the pastor jacket, watch him.
To
Say I never see a man that can you love people think so. You see you? Remember me tell you, you love people things too much, they go science you.
It fit me not true. How you look for me?
I want the pastor see what some box with him Bible and that I want to do.
Keep me keep that in my body. Pastor bad man.
You soon know if pastor, but me say take off your man jacket, put it back
Take off what?
You put on jacket in here?
In short pay you. So, this is the rest of money. This to blast.
Me say if there's no science or something wrong, you see you love pumpkin money too much, you soon start to run for the ground.
Pumpkin. So what? What kind of money me feel?
You figure work.
What kind of money?
Look your own, brother. Look your own. You love pumpkin money to every
So
topic. Yeah, man. Be a man.
So So what I know, all the days of my life me I work. And two things kinda slow.
You decide to collect pumpkin money.
To blast. And I want the month now you work and you go on so.
Look, right now, just give me back my money.
Give your money.
Give me back my money.
Give your money.
Give it back. You're too ungrateful. Give me my money.
You give me back for my money first. How much years me and mine you? And 3 pitney we are not for me. And you give me one $1,300 you go on so. Me tell you say at $10,000 at least if you come in with a night time.
How much you come up here with? Tell me how much. Do you even want plate of food? Do you even want come up here with, you know? Come give me, you know. Me give you 13 bills. Me give you come up. You didn't come up here with none.
You know, so you're full of too much talk.
You come up here with none?
You're full of too much talking, you know. And me can't bother with you, you know. You better go look more pumpkin. You better go sell more pumpkin. Cause more and more money.
You see, cucumber them and the pass short now. They short.
You know what I go do? I line up some clients for you because you see the car out there, more 4 new tire on it, and the pumpkin have to go work and work hard too. Cause me not have money to fix the car. And you know, say me not work. And you know what?
I'm too a short money.
You know what? Low argument. I go cook some food for here. I cook some food for here, baby.
Make sure. And the ox still no one.
To blast. So.
God. When are you going to help me? When you really are going to help me to make me come out of this lifestyle, this situation? I want to come out, you know? It's not easy. It's not easy because I see they know me hustle look money and this is short money. I can't tell me about say 13 bills. Like I put on client out here. Eh? I want to know if I feel pumpkin out here work.
No dog, yo. Fed up, no dog.
Yo, how you know, man?
What do you mean how we?
How you know?
I'm
Look like some broke pocket, you know.
I'm just a little short boy, man. Me be brushing, not you me left it cool, me not skinny.
How you my youth?
Rolling!
Me
But
left
tell me
out
something
to
to your
blast.
yard. One year and stop
How
this
this
early
man?
client then.
I'm just a man dog, and
Me
I'm
left out to say to blast.
lift up now.
Let's say me I tell you something. I like pink house, brother.
I tell her dog,
A bare waist man got pink house, brother. We
True,
can't-
true,
we
bro.
can't get nothing, bro.
some man weak, you know what I'm saying? Short. When you rolling.
Some roll up. You're lucky you roll up film name in a fear head.
I'm just some
I
man
remember.
skinny.
For cho.
Some man soft, you know how you beat them, though. You can't sit none
No,
of
I
you
had
beat
the
them
fashion,
motion and
come on,
none.
lift up finance, bro. I'm not to do the pink house business, you know, bro.
Skinny, for cho. Listen to me. I made them call me and take long to go, take long to come out. What you
Yo,
talking
nobody
about?
with the
Yes,
long business, bro.
no,
So you
bro.
had the
A
fast,
3-5 on me and make it worth it. Tap on yourself, no skinny man, want to man.
Nah, worry myself, bro. I'm just not like them vibe, bro.
Yo, yeah,
them
bro.
place are not my place, bro.
Stop chicken out the thing, man.
I'm not chicken, bro, but you know the thing, go more time you have to poke out the thing and make the thing official.
Believe. We
Yeah.
just come, but it be a take long to come out. To feel like we did a long time. I can't see
Probably
it.
a 2 man should have around there.
Yo,
Yeah,
and then
bro,
we
I'm not-
can't bother doing
I'm
it.
style that, yo, you like sure.
Moms! See that boy? And that's if you come up in course, you see them thing they come. Look on the girl and speculate her.
Me good, man.
What you mean you're good?
Aye.
Alright, nice to meet you.
You can't see her like
What's
that.
your name?
My name
What's your name?
Skinny, and I me really, and me buy for church, you know. This is a man for
Look
church.
handsome though. I like how you look.
Church, man.
You look nice.
Me?
Yeah, you look nice.
So me no look nice too. Eh?
Yeah, you look nice. Me gotta say.
Well, I do no business, man. Soft as that, man.
So you there for doing business?
I'm there for the joke. Oi. Now next 3
No, before
hours,
we
yeah?
go in, we have to have bargain business. So go on.
A 3-5 me have in a moms.
No, 3-5 stop pay for pumpkin long time.
Let me toast down no skinny.
So you come up pink house and I bring the money.
Easy.
Mama, you have 3,000 and package here and I make him full and I have 3,000. Go
What's
on do
the
your
pa-
thing, man. Go on do your thing, man. Mama, you have 3 grand in
Me have the money, man.
What more and 3 grand, you know? Anything what in the man take it out. I go on.
Yo, not take too long.
So come back to here. I look nice.
I am a friend.
Yeah, I look nice.
Can start, you bro.
I feel like I'm a bumper firm though.
Soon come, man.
Like how it feel.
Alright.
No. Skinny. You are in control, Skinny. You are in control. Do not be distracted. Do not mislead by temptation. Skinny, you are in control. Skinny, hold it out. Hold it out as a real G, Skinny. See, pray. Yeah. Say, boy, terrible man.
Skinny! I'm telling you about the little soft style then, man. Haircut, man. You know ready?
Huh?
You know what ready?
Yeah, man, I'm ready.
Come on, man. I'm
So
telling
you
you.
say? You come back up here?
May think about it, man. True.
Come back. You can't come back later. You can't come back later.
You know, easy for you, you know. May think about it, man.
Come later, man. You want to leave your number? Give me my call, eh?
It's... Oh, may think about it.
Skinny, come on, man. I'm telling you,
Give me the
man.
number and stop listening to your friend. Give me
Skinny.
the number.
May think about it.
That too
Come
good, the
in.
jam me like glue. Skinny, come on.
Make sure you come back, you know.
Skinny, come on.
I will
Listen.
be here waiting for you.
Alright, man. Say 40, yeah? May
Alright.
think about it,
Take
yeah?
time walk and down bucket to here.
Alright.
Come on, you come back later.
Alright, man. Say 40, yeah?
Alright, my nice friend.
Alright,
Nice
man.
doing business. Later.
Look like barrel come, woman. Be a tin mackerel on the back and them thing there. So I go on. Long time in a fear, no?
What you going?
You can't give me a hug or a moose from the last time you just tens up.
Me have to tens up, you know that too.
You know, so you soon get a little money, man. I want you. You just have to play hard on them thing there. Yo, come here, no. Mama, come here. No.
Let me fix the people them coach, no? I want you, you carry money up here.
That
You
can't
don't rush
fix-
me so
that
far.
can't fix it later, mama. I
Besides,
want
if
you.
I carry money up here.
Listen, me, no, man.
Listen what?
Listen, that's hear me.
And money, I want to listen.
Money, you want to listen. You want to listen money later. Enough money too. And that make me want to
Oh, you have
listen.
it?
So, right now, I want to listen something sweet.
Nothing sweet like money, son.
Mama, calm yourself. You don't know say I have it. You don't know say I have it sweet to someone will bring a gas space without a flying jet in a mama want to, man.
I don't want that little cucumber, you
Yeah,
know.
mama, if I taste it, that's what
Money, me talk. Money, me talking now. Money.
money attack.
Yeah.
So man ask the money I come out your mouth.
You win. You invisible, but the money me speaking.
You want me make you speak money in tongues? I'm sure you know.
Nobody not enter without the money.
Nobody not enter without the money. I'm sure you something, I'm sure you
Show me what.
Watch.
Me say the money, me want to see. You can't pass the gate if you don't have the money.
You can't
How
pass
you
the
gonna
gate.
pass here? You don't have
Say
money.
turn security for me, you know.
Long time.
Mama, yeah, move. So calm down, man. Yo, take a seat, I'm sure you agree. Take a seat now, mama. Calm down, mama. Then you know say I have a sweet cucumber man and you have a sweet pumpkin. So when I put that together, what you get? All bees are run off
You
of me.
must know bad breed pumpkin you get. I don't know bad breed pumpkin.
Why you move some, mama? Why you move some?
Get up and fix up. Yeah, why you selling people them coach you no money? Eh?
Some money I run things I know.
How money run things? Without money, all you come up a pink house.
So you go on more while, you know?
Money run
But
pink
can't
house.
take a style, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You're calming yourself, man. I want you, man. Your hair look nice, though. How do it
I'm
feel?
money for it.
I'm money for you?
Money, yeah.
Oh.
What do you for money?
You know, somebody catch something for you for Valentine's Day, though. But me have it. Me not give you. Me show you, now. Come here, now, mama, man.
I could have what that now.
I could have what? You want to know? Come here,
I
me
don't want
show
no
you.
cucumber for you if you don't
You
have.
don't want no cucumber from me.
You don't want people them call.
Me never know if you turn market or now. I say you move.
Yes.
You move like tourists for me.
Mm-hmm. I'm supposed to.
You're supposed to.
Yes.
I want supposed to, you in the
I'm
sun.
supposed to.
Like how you draw me out like shoes lace, you know, but make sure you can fit it in back.
I want to live lavish.
You know, say you
I
have
want
a
to
good
live lavish
pumpkin,
and you cannot
say
pass
explode
the
me with
gate.
that, you know, mama, what you deal with?
You can't pass the gate without the money. Pink cost, money
A
talk.
joke, you make. If me
Bullshit
can't pass
walk.
the gate, me a jump fence, I want you.
Bullshit walk. If you have speak money, you can come. And I speak money, you got to go.
We got to go.
Yeah,
So I just say reach, you know.
Yes, you got
reach
to
the
go.
phone, a joke you want me. You take man thing for joke a man thing.
Look here, why you call me out? Why me come out at you? Where
I know me call you out.
Me realize that now you call me, but me don't know how God make me come out here to come see you. For what? God how me there?
God no dear nothing, man. God give
So why you come here so far?
We
Why
come
you
here
come
to
up
come see you. To
For
see your
what?
pumpkin.
Are you not money?
Me not money. Some money attack now.
Money. I want to do this a waste money now. Tell me.
Yes, man. Hey, this a man in a waste. Tell me, you said it a cucumber in a waste today. This a go blast in your pumpkin.
I might put it in a grater.
A joke you want give, man. Or a juice you want make. You come in, mama, I want pay, man.
No entry without the money.
No entry.
You're not
A
here.
COVID thing now.
Yeah. No enter without the money. That me say, that me mean.
Yeah, like a joke me I make, man. I want you a $6,000 still in a mama. But make a 3 grand with me, you see what I say? So when me get the partner draw, I will give you 5 grand. You see what I say? No worry yourself, man. You see what I say? No worry yourself.
You
What
better
does you want go and pan
do.
that,
You
man?
know say everything
you
was
see how quick you
extra,
collect
not
that?
true. Yes, make sure, hey, don't make me have to walk on the road and look for you because you know me with
You don't have to look for me, man. Me ever present like, I want you.
And make sure it's an extra company for true.
You mean?
And any other company, remember, as long as you see pink one outside, don't look over here, yeah?
I want you. You know, say,
And you say damn stingy, you come up here and just run off and chat off your mouth. So, and you have the money in your pocket all along, but you want pumpkin for free. Look at you.
More while my money has to warm up in a pocket too before my money let out and cold
I
breeze
tight,
touch
you
you want
tight.
to, man.
I tight, you damn tight.
Are
Cause
you tight?
enough your intention, you come up here and get pumpkin for free. And that you up to. So what like you can grow on me, you can't grow on me none time.
You know what wrong with you? Love talk, man. You know something in a talking thing, in action, me deal with, you know.
Everybody know that old stingy man. You ready?
Ready long time. So you go on, man. You see how you brad, you wrap plywood. So you see already, you better buy up a tin food, them, you know, cause time are coming on, man.
So know what the way I go for. How much black you think you can take?
Probably about 200 black, you know.
You feel like 2 bills can do it?
Yeah, man, $200 at least, it's true, man, you know.
You will do it, man. Me feel
But
like
Jav,
you. Yeah.
between me and still, you know what say?
Yeah. I want you, man. You alright?
Good, man.
Oh, what you say?
Between me and you, me a pre down at the pink house there, you know.
What about down at pink house? Hope that we just a come from father. What go on?
Differently still, you know. For my band still, you know.
Yeah.
I never buy pumpkin in my life, you know.
Me know that. And me do all like pumpkin buying.
I mean, I think it's right to buy pumpkin. You have to find a nice pumpkin for your cucumber.
Believe.
That where you don't have to pay money for.
Believe.
But boy, it a bother me. Some fire going on at the pink house. Yeah man, for true.
Skinny,
Yeah.
you like paper than like people in pink or Skinny?
No man, Jav man.
It's not
like that.
So what
It's
kind of
nothing
fire,
like that,
what
man.
kind of fire you talk about now, Skinny?
Why?
Eh? What kind of fire down a pink house?
I want to buy some pumpkin. for
Jesus
sister.
Christ, God. What you say you want to do?
I want to buy some pumpkin for this.
Skinny, that the pumpkin they too good for your cucumber. You're mad.
Mad way man. Brother, I can't man over pumpkin, brother.
Skinny, that we get a hooky jam a little glue, that we get a jam a little glue. It good.
So you no want me go buy no pumpkin?
Me not say that,
You
Skinny.
try to discourage me now for no buying a pumpkin.
See, I spend the last
So
3
you alone
grand.
for enjoy the pumpkin.
Me ask if you're willing to spend the last 3 grand.
Boy, me can't talk her out and spend 1,000.
Talk her out, Mumzella, not give her free booms, you know. She not give her free booms.
I'm not free. It's just that I get it at a lower price. Like all from 3 to 1. Probably from 1,000 to 500 dollar.
I mean, ask if 5 days a while ago if you make up on you to give me. You know, see, I know I'm good boy, but you want no Skinny. You see, through me and your friend. And a far back we run, so we run a one part, run a one place where you come from. Guess what I got? Guess no?
Now I go buy the pumpkin.
And me I go follow you go back. Because me a bad influence. I go follow you come. Because a pumpkin I want to buy you. Alright, come. A pumpkin.
Lord God, Sistrin! You know, see me left a jacket here, so my pink jacket. Me pay a whole heap of money for it in all the people, them half written money me use and buy it.
That's all I'm a pastor client.
Yes, man, I miss you, man. What gone?
Bye-bye.
I'm seeing you looking nice as usual, you know? So, hold on, what my jacket there?
Jacket.
What's the string? Hold on. I never know say I hear money.
And I don't mind the pasta.
Hold on. I people them offering money, what you do?
Then wait, no pink also come pasta.
Oh, don't worry yourself.
Worry yourself about the money, alright, so my hand.
I hear money, don't worry yourself. But furthermore, I jacket me come from, me no come to steal am. Where's the jacket?
Which jacket?
Me pink jacket, the offering money, jacket.
A public place, I come here, I left jacket and I expect to come
Come on, sister, me can't stay with you now. But mother replace my wife with you, but you know I stay already. Me need the jacket or else she go kill me. Me need the jacket.
Pastor, public place this time. In and out.
Jesus.
I don't buy a jacket, Pastor.
Me need to find a jacket or else I go get in a problem. Where's the
Well,
jacket?
I go get in a problem because you come up public place with jacket and everything. So Pastor, I don't know.
No, me not have nothing more. No.
Sabi, you wear some of that job?
Wait, why you feel me up so?
Oh, your church?
You want to do something?
You want to do something, Pastor?
No, let's go.
Come and see if you have no money.
Oh, me have a lot of money. You know something pocket.
Come and feel it up now.
You want to feed me up?
Nah, I don't want money, Pastor.
Yeah, what do you put money on? Copy.
But Pastor, your body look nice, though.
Yeah.
Oh, your church name, if you come down like a beer, you want to see in your pocket.
Don't worry yourself, man. When me soon go and check your back, man. Don't worry yourself.
Then come here in the Pastor, you yes?
No. I'm not the yes. I know say you.
Come here in the Pastor, I want to see you.
Come on, I want to go and check in.
Sit down, Pastor, you can't sit down.
Come in,
Sit down, let's go one talk.
Come in, run there, room here, come on.
I'm a nice client, you know, Pastor. Yeah, you was Pastor, you up here today.
You may say I go and know sister, you know. You know I think already, you know, a long time.
Master Pastor. That master.
You know, say a long time if you something you think, no, go on.
I know you never get it, you know, Pastor, but
Yeah, but me never get it. Me and my wife and my house and me never get it once. I'm ready.
Last time I left stoplight.
No. You have to go change to green. Because I know I want it. Let's go. Come on, man. I know I want it. Go.
The go light now work. It broke down Pastor now.
What do you mean it not work?
When They're on red light right now and the green light kind of the malfunction.
No man, every time me come down I say always the red. Come on man, I'm green if you dey on, I know more want it.
Me say green light now red pasta. You know I'm a US.
Sister and I go and wouldn't know yourself man. US at least. Me bring all I come here. Me I take you from my wife as me go.
Make sure so the people know my church and show no $100 in the pan.
Know yourself. Have you $1,000 loan. If they not put $1,000 in their offering pan, they need to leave. Yes man.
So you know you not tell me the church name. I want to come down because I find 2 clients.
Anytime ready. All you done at my house you can come. You're free to go anywhere you feel like.
For true pastor?
Yes! You know me love you already. Yeah, man. Yes, man.
For true pastor? I like you sound of that though.
Yeah, I like it too.
Anywhere me can come anywhere.
Yeah.
And you look nice. I like your shirt.
You know me always nice and think me always full up ahead now, you know, ready for release, you know.
But I say stop like that work.
But know yourself, man. Come on, man.
Come on, we do a pastor.
Ready, me. See all the set up nice and ready for me.
Pastor, not understand. You don't understand something. You don't understand. You're not understanding. Your preacher is still not understanding.
Sister, you're not deal with me right, man. You're not deal with me right. Come on. Don't worry yourself, man. I'm not near me a preaching. That's at least, man. You can't understand. I'm have to do a job for me booking them. No, if you worry about that. Don't worry about that.
That's why I need you to have an understanding with me.
So,
you understand?
I'm understanding already, you know?
Alright, so.
I'm understanding.
You want me to be a nice massage?
Come on. Ready for massage. Okay. A long time you wait for this now.
Look like Pastor Anxious.
Yes, sir. A long time you wait for.
I'm going to put it down for you. I don't want to crush up.
Yeah, ready.
Yeah, there. I saw Pastor Richard.
Full of money.
Drop. Silver drop. I keep silver them for you.
Yes, man.
Alright, Pastor. So let me give a massage, Pastor. How do you? Turn around, someone. Turn around. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, man. Give me nice on profile. Yeah.
How that feel, Pastor?
It feels good, you know?
You feel good?
Yeah.
So when you come back up here?
I come back every day.
Bring enough USA.
Whole light off from me I can come. Anytime ready me I can whole light come.
Yes, Pastor.
Yeah.
Alright. That feel good?
That's fine. Come on, sister. Something better.
That feel good. Look like you know you're a massage I had doing a Pastor.
What's fun?
Eh?
You know I really my shoulder my massage do.
I want that now, but I tell us some of the red light Pastor, I'm going to get a nice massage.
Yeah, but that's I'm better down there, you know.
I know, man, but the massage, I work, you know, and it works. What's remember you was here?
Yes, baby. Oh, sister. Like how you touch me, you know, yes.
I know, Pastor.
Oh gosh.
Want to, Pastor?
Oh gosh, the one day. You may feel that one day.
What you feel?
Oh God, go on again, go on again.
Feel good?
Go on again. No, man. Yeah, man, me feel that one day.
Yeah. You feel good, Pastor?
Yeah.
Alright, that's all then.
Yeah, man.
Jesus.
Woo.
Calm your spirit, Pastor. Calm down. Calm down, Pastor.
Sister. Oh God, I'm gonna leave now.
Are you chicken, Emma?
I'm gonna leave. Sister, I'm gonna leave.
Sit down, Pastor. Sit down.
Ready, sister.
Sit down. Your body feel wet.
Ready.
You're sweat, man.
Help me. Oh gosh, that feel good.
What feel
Sister,
good?
me I go leave now. Me reach. Me I go leave.
You reach? My
No,
God.
man. Tomorrow me come check you. Me I go bring the money. So tomorrow me check you. No.
So you don't want to wipe off Pastor?
No, must man bring it
Your
up.
body feel wet.
Me can't go down.
Your body full of hype, man.
Oh gosh. I'm telling you some more release, you know.
I don't know wipes now. I look up this and this. They want the tester?
If I did that work, no problem.
Oh, that's not even right, money.
Baby, say cool there now.
So for the time you left us, say you go for food and come back, you just a reach?
You know, so I don't like your style. I be a badness in the pan, you know. You know how long it take me to cook that the food there? I cold me cookie pan, you know. Cause gas done.
You should have taken 10 seconds for done cooking food.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, it should have take you.
A raw food, you want?
I know raw food more, but you should have fly, go and fly, come back.
Alright, next
And
time.
that you should have do.
Next time I'm going to give you 10 second food. Because 10 second food you want. What you want? Egg and bread?
Look, I remember say cook half pumpkin money I collect, you know.
Alright, you
I
see
say
next
pumpkin
time.
money, so anything me says, me snap my finger, you're supposed to move.
Alright, so guess what? You see next time, I give you 10 second food. Pork and peas. Red peas soup me I cook. Pork. So you see when I check it time pan the clock, 10 seconds. If you cook or not, that
Okay, you talk too much, man. I put on your food. I don't even bother hungry.
You even bother you better name me before it cold. Because I have nothing for you to your pan. To blast. Bombard. Come. How you get new shirt?
How you want there, Brumbo?
How you get new shirt?
What do you mean? Oi! Could I prepare him shirt? Every come up.
Alpha shirt. Alpha shirt. You look good for me, not true?
You know, say you look like a bad man already. You know? Every time you come up here, you see something put on. You live up here?
Yeah, man. You see anything.
You put on up here?
Anything put on in this house, I feel me.
I know how, this is not a house, this is a public place. And people in place where me I work, you come, every come you come and see people show. Take a pastor shirt.
Yeah, a pastor shirt.
Yes.
Come like you have to go take more shirt from pastor. It fit me good. All the pink jacket there. To blast. You look good for me, not true?
Yeah man, you look good for you and pastor we are the same size, not true?
You see you are my main asset. And you see anything in here, I feel me. So you see anything you get, I feel me also. So you see a pastor come and left for a shirt, I feel me. If he come and left for a jacket, I feel me. If he come and left for a shoes, I feel me. To blast.
This man is a ranking son of a blast. He come up here and see pastor jacket.
Come.
You take it.
Wait,
you see man shot, you take it.
Where money there? Where money there?
Which money?
The money there, I go buy gas.
Which gas?
Me not tell you say gas done.
You go catch cataract. Wood fire go kill you. Which money?
You know, you're not.
You collect money up here since morning. You come back for more?
Me tell you say gas done. What me do? You have me cook pan wood fire.
Me say cataract go blind you.
Me know you don't want to do me here, you know.
Yeah, me want something for the air if you stop collect me a pumpkin money.
Pumpkin money to blast. So what? It come like you want to sell pumpkin and you don't want to give me no money. Eh?
Go sell a cucumber and make me collect it.
All you do? Organize some of your nice female friend them.
Me not have none.
Well, this a cucumber you not go sell. To blast.
Well, you have to go on the grill on the beach, you know. You have to go all up your body there where you have and go down on the grill on the beach right there, so and go and muggle. Somebody must see you.
Muggle?
You must sell.
Me look like a muggler.
Me say you must. Once somebody high up, you must sell.
Me look like a muggler to you.
Me say you have to sell, you know. Once your body high up and
nobody tell me about no selling thing. Are you alone and sell pumpkin in here? And anytime the pumpkin sell, me forget pay. If you sell a pumpkin for $10, more $9.99 to blast.
It's a ranking son of a brute. I know that. Come take it. I that if you can't take it. Me tell you, me I change my life, you know. Cause you think so me go sit down every day and go collect pumpkin money and so. It now go work. And that may make you know. You go have to sell for your cucumber to go sell for selling here. You'll be right. That boy rank and be right. Every day you come up here. Every day, morning, noon, night, 3 times a day I come up here for money. And him me I work for. I go put a stop into this. You get bread. I go make pastor put on a piece of chant a prayer for you. You? Pastor Mark, I go tell pastor everything. I go make pastor pray for you. Make you come out for me and go away. Oh, crosses, man.
So for make me walk from dog. Damn. Wow.
So far,
Wow.
yeah, man, I take plane for pumpkin. Yeah, man, I take plane for pumpkin. So, we could drag in a lace. At least I warm up, because I can fit. For
true.
Yeah, working.
Cho.
You understand?
When you
Working.
want to skinny me, I call my arms in a car. How far I reach away if you turn back in up. My arms! Come! Come!
Yo.
Alright, boy, man. Give me a minute there, give me a minute there.
I show my client that there.
Me see my job, man. You know what I mean? Give up one skinny.
Give back up Mr. Handsome.
Yeah.
Give back Mr. Handsome.
Yeah, man, friend. What's the name again?
Come.
Come, I like the name, man.
Body come, Shorty come.
Shorty come. Nice.
Shorty come,
Yeah, Shorty man. Yes.
I like you, know.
Cut to the chase, cut to the topic.
Like
Business
it,
income for you, but you don't really know a fussy man do that type of thing here. So you know,
True,
me kind of
true.
all type
I
feel.
force me to buy pumpkin for
Yeah.
Cho.
Yeah.
Now make you have a nice experience about it though.
For Cho. Cho.
I'm gonna take it to
Yeah.
people.
Yeah,
Have a
man.
guy of it.
You know, easy for Cho, you know, yeah. You just give me some good smoke.
No man,
That's-
no.
yeah.
Me say never guy ever yet. Never guy ever yet. I'm going to take you there, honey.
So go on, run that if the man, when you start delay things, so man.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Much money you have to.
Oh,
Nobody no pass.
me didn't want to chat yesterday.
No, I can't tell you so man.
Yeah.
Can't tell a friend for excuse if you don't want to hear your business.
Yeah. Give me a minute.
Go on that room.
Mama, me talk to you. Damn, I'm so for Cho. The money.
He have money, man. He have money. He have enough money. Remember, say I been a bar
But you not happiness, you come for the business. You just never help.
Not you think good you have to deal with me, son of man. If you deal with me with respect.
Let me hear what the mother said. Me say nobody cannot pass without the money.
Alright. Do nothing. Let me turn me.
And Shorty come, what you stand on? You see? What you like, my Cho. Now have the piece of food, man. Now I'm gonna pray for Cho, man.
How
Now,
much?
man. Much? 3,000.
Not now.
What you
No,
stand on?
no. That
What
one
you
more
say?
upon it.
Alright.
If me a take you, me never say me a send you a
Me
L.
not stay long.
Me never say me a send you a L in a heaven. Me say me a
Shorty
take you.
come. Me not stay long, man. 3 grand. Me not stay long.
No man, 3 grand can't go heaven.
What's he, man? Give me 1 second.
Happiness over there. 3 grand can't go heaven.
Cho, man. Let's
Put something more pan it to main skinny. Put money pan the money. Have money. Me don't have no money.
Talk now, waste my time.
just
Some more now do.
Nah, for stay long, man. Just 3,000.
So borrow something for him now.
I don't have anything to lend this morning.
Shorty come. Let's give you a try, man. Life, man. Anything. Watch out.
Me say I have me I take you borrow something from your friend. Your friend have money over there.
Shorty come. Watch your style, man. You know, say, boss boy kind of shot and they pay for Cho. You know?
You have to
So-
go borrow it and come back.
Why?
Man, I deal with it, man. Just watch your style now. Watch your style now. Man, I get
Now what you style and I'm stylish.
Them I like your style. Me I tell you, I like you, man. I like you for Cho, man.
Well, go and go borrow it and come back. Me there with pricing.
Shorty come. Here I go and see. If I give you 3,000, I'm just push the cucumber in the pumpkin and just turn it a bit and that's it. For Cho.
It no matter heaven, me still a take you.
So I say one price you got heaven.
Yeah, one price got heaven.
So one way to
One
heaven.
go, you know. One go, and reach a heaven.
I reach a
One
heaven.
time.
Alright, what you saying on? Me I cut cause it's come like a joke. Cause me I tell you say, 3 grand me have one.
I say go borrow it. Then nobody can borrow nothing from. They don't lend your money.
Bro, G,
Yeah.
just lend me 1,000, me I give you back when we go, man.
Skinny.
I give you time savings, bro.
Skinny.
Send me 1,000, bro.
Me I go boss up on 1,000, you know.
Yeah, me cheat, choo.
Me don't want to ask if me touch skinny.
For choo, man.
Skinny.
I appreciate it, father, you know.
Skinny.
Choo.
Yeah, you just
Lend the man the money now.
Choo.
Man, make me and Skinny have a one talk, man. Skinny.
Choo.
Skinny. Put that in your clothes, road boy.
Respect me, Jim. Mama.
Skinny.
4,000.
Skinny. Dude, me have to accept me 4.
4,000.
Yeah, I'm not scared of no man. Come on.
Half for your ever you are going to you can't go full ever.
Boss the man.
Half for ever.
Boss the man.
You can't go take your full ever, you know. You can't go take it down full.
Sure.
Any full shot tall round, I still heavy.
Believe.
More like 7. Come in.
Mash up the pumpkin. Mash. Beating harder than me too. Keisha! Me I come with the feeding. Jesus Christ, me and Skinny. Me I go buy you and cake come Keisha. Me the palm away, man. Me no say baby want the formula. Me I come. One day me can borrow back your money from Skinny. One day Skinny can borrow back your money from him.
Sure, man. But me no believe say them thing in a fear. It's like me a pray to me and say, yo, a nice girl like you, them life you in a fear.
True.
If you find a decent man.
True, because I don't really like the lifestyle me I live. Because I say I'm up here so and rolling I come up here. 3 times for the day. You see people jacket hang up, people shirt put on and just take up when you see. Everything you come see and just take up and just go on with it, Every day a man come up here. A man want to collect money. Well, he never one day come on my workplace and say, yo baby, see a thing here,
A mama man style. A watchy pumpkin style in the pan. You call them boy they watchy pumpkin.
I really watch a pumpkin.
Yeah, for true. Cause watch your style now, no? Are you for this? Hey, you see, me never have a woman in my yard. And me pick themselves for true. And I tell her some a good wife you up for true. And I tell her, no joke for true.
I tell you, when I'm stressed out, sometimes I just sit down and I just cry and I ask Father God, what kind of lifestyle is I live?
Mama, watch your style now.
I'm not cutting, but I even have a pastor client. I'm not really no pastor that, because if you say you're a pastor, you're a preacher, say, as you come, you're supposed to pick me up and can read me. And sister, me tired of their lifestyle.
That's true, for true.
Yeah, I'm tired for you, and for me I do this work here, first me have somebody come talk to me and I give me advice or something. Yeah, I'm fed up, yo.
One night time, man, you see, told me I made right now. I made say for you just get a look 1 room rent and me help you out a week time, at least a month time.
We do that for me for church?
What you mean, man? Help you out a month time, man, and give you a little grocery, man, if I have some flour and some rice.
Yo.
You think tough in about to have tough out it, you know?
Real.
I like his style, man, and I tell you, say, as a good girl, I don't think so them lifestyle are for you. For real.
I know my road this everybody will come at this pink house.
Yo, come. I'm on, you've been on my house.
Yo, hold on.
Hey!
Hey, girl, man, the girl that you know. Hey, girl, what you did? Me not tell us enough to make no money in a chatting.
Rolling!
Yo,
Don't
me not
kill
tell
me,
us.
Rolling, please!
Yo, me not tell
Rolling,
us.
don't pass me, I work!
Me not
I
tell us.
work, Rolling, I see your money not collect, Rolling, why you gonna do that?
So we have money in a long chatting with you. Me not tell us you don't have no money in there. Yo, come.
I want to place, Rolling! I want to place, Rolling!
Good in morning, good in day, good in evening, good in night, good in whatever time you guys tune in. If you never know, now you know. I'm your boy, Skinny Sophie True. Welcome to Prolong HD Film. Guys, the fact that you are watching this part of the video clearly means that you watched the entire video, right? Am I right? If I'm right, please leave a comment in the comment section to tell us that you watched the movie for the entire duration from start to finish. But I want to thank you so much before I forget, because sometimes I intend to talk a lot and not getting in the most important part in which to thank you guys. So I want to thank you so much for watching this movie. I want to show appreciation by doing a next one. How about that? A next movie is good, right? So we're going to prepare a next movie for you guys. Probably a morning or tonight. Whatever time we finish that new project, new movie, we're going to deliver it to you guys. But I just also want to say thank you to Uganda, Africa, in Kenya, Togo, Benin, Mali, Malta, you know, Brazil, you know, UK, Venezuela, Australia, Austria. I just want to thank you all, guys. And if I forget any of you, please leave your country tag in the comment section so I can big you up next time. How about that? What you guys think? Okay, so remember, if you don't like the movie, please leave a comment. If you like the movie, please leave a comment. If you think we could do better, please leave a comment. Let us know what you think so we can get bigger and better. Let's grow together. Let's take 2023 to another level. The level where we can say, yes, we made it. Yes, we did a great job. Yes, we put in a lot of hard work. A lot of sleepless nights, a lot of restless days. Because anybody ever try out this movie thing, they can tell you. It's not that easy, guys. It's a whole new level of life, but it's fun. It's entertaining, and it's coming from the art. Well, if you've been around Prolong HD Film, you will see where we make movie out of thin air. True. So guys, I sincerely thank you guys. It's sentimental to me how I feel about, you know, this part of the video, you know, thanking you guys, you know. And we want to do better and better and better. So I want you guys to be a part of this movement, you know, by supporting us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to keep the positive vibe, because, you know, we're always out there doing positiveness, you know. Keep us alive. Let's do it together. You know, it's a dream, it's an opportunity, it's a process, it's a lifestyle, it's movie. You know, come up in with the concept, thinking about the concept, bring it to you guys, you know, the filming, the acting, the editing, the whole process it takes to get this project together. It's amazing, guys. And we like that you guys reach this part of the video. And it's not that, yes guys, I'm on the road, so there's a lot of cars gonna pass, so it's not that you guys just watch it partway or halfway or some minutes in the movie you stop it. You make it all the way to the end. Respect, man. Pick up yourself. Sorry. Enough love, man. You know? Yo, appreciate it. It's sentimental. You know? So I want to big up you guys for being here at this moment, at this time. You know, I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section. Pour in your heart. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. Your comment is important. We appreciate your comment. We take your comments in consideration. So leave a comment, guys. Let us know. Click the like button. Click the subscribe button. Guys, we need to reach a lot of subscribers for the year 2023. Let's do it together. Tell a friend to subscribe. Not just that, show your friend what's going on over here, you know. And it's life, guys. It's life. What we do here, it's life. It's more than life. It's more life. For true. But me want to tell you guys that it's been like a life-changing. Right, Jay?
What? Life changing.
Come.
Yeah, man,
Guys,
listen.
it's Jay, guys. So just talk to the audience. We just wish them could have just probably be here like a whole crowd.
I know, right?
36,000, 37,000 subs, 36,000 subs of people just here, and we're just talking to you guys in person. But the camera is here, you know.
Yeah, man, I remember the first time, you know, I met Skinny, and, you know, I saw a video just like this. Just like what you're watching now, and it was so inspiring. And from that day, you know, I said, I have to be a part of this movement because, you see, I see the value in what Skinny is doing here, and he's a great director, producer, actor, everything, all in one, a great friend too. You know, you cannot be sad when you're around Skinny.
True. What a bombshell.
Yeah, man, what a bombshell, you know, so it's exciting to learn how to act, right, because I learn everything from Skinny, right. He teaches very well, right, and he shows you everything how to do from start to finish. And he's very patient, you know, so look up to him as a mentor. I'm just being honest right now, and for 2023 and beyond, I see a lot of great things, you know, great movies.
Yeah.
We're teaching people how to act. Well, actually, Skinny is, right? How teaching people about certain life and the things that persons go through on a daily basis that we might not even be aware of. And by watching these films, we can become aware and improve our own lives. Yeah. So as we take the time out to do this, you know, it's a lot of work, and we appreciate you, our subscribers and our supporters, because without you, this wouldn't even be possible right here.
True.
Yeah, so we have to take the time out to really appreciate everything. And last but not least, we Kai right here. We have to bring in Kai. Yeah.
For true.
Yeah.
For true, that's Kai.
Yeah, man, the editor, you know. So people, I'm big up on yourself. I put in all I work, see there. We not even sleep. Yeah.
No sleep.
I have to go work one day.
Kai floating in the sky.
Yeah. We don't sleep. As me, all 3 o'clock. We are edit video.
For true.
3 o'clock in the morning.
For true.
We're serious already. I try to put in work.
Trust me.
So at least give it, like, comment, and subscribe. Click the post notification bell, so as we drop a movie, you can get it.
True.
So stay tuned, because we are going to drop more. We are going to do a whole heap of things we have to do. So, you just stay tuned on the channel, share. We don't really appreciate it when you share, so we are trying to get out there more. We need more people to come in on the channel to like get more attraction, so that we can actually put in with bits. Cause for sure say hard. What we are do is really worth it, isn't it? Because we really have put out the work for them.
They know, and movie come out like every day. We edit them. You know, like how they get done. Like, you know, we have to edit them to make sure, you know, they're up for it.
It takes a lot of hours, because imagine an edit from 7 to 3 o'clock in the morning. Like, that crazy.
Yeah.
You have just do it. But we love what we do, you know, say it's a reason.
Because we do what we love. We do, know we are doing.
Yeah.
Yo, for true.
Yeah.
And that's Sky, guys,
That is
you
it.
know. For true. To
Yes,
blast.
sir.
Hey, you say hear the voice to blast. I wonder if they hear.
Rolling dice.
To blast. For true.
Big
The
up
blast.
Skinny and the whole team.
Give them peace
Yeah.
I song for true.
Yeah. And me I say, bad boys,
Please don't hurt the little baby. Bad boys, you have nobody to live for. Dog, where you come from?
please don't
Hurt the old lady.
Bad boys. Yeah?
Yeah, for true. Enough love and enough respect for true, yeah? So for true.